Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we learn and discuss about how to create a stylish spiral staircase. I think it's helpful for a new beginner who interested about 3D design. So let's start. First we need a new sheet and arrange the unit setting. U and enter types engineering 0 inches. Okay. The next limit setting. I take 0 feet, 0 feet, enter 20 feet and 20 feet, enter. The spiral staircase, or we need a plan. This is the circular, so I need a circle. C, enter, which radius is 42 inch. Now we need another circle which is smaller than 42 inch. C, enter, center the circle which radius is 3 inch. Now line command using L, enter, center to the circle. Now using polar array, select a line, enter, select, center to the circle. We need 21 or 22 items. I take 21, enter, close array. We can see a plan for circular staircase. This is the view of 3D. Now the smaller circle extrude to 12 feet. Extrude command, select, enter. The height 12 feet. Now using helix command, center of the circle to base of radius 42 inch. Top radius 42 inch, turns 1 turn, and height 10 feet. Now using pressful command, portrait. The tread height is 6 inch, You also need a railing. For railing, we using circle command. C enter, which radius is 0.5 inch. It moves to mid. The circle extrude for 30 inch. You also see shades of gray visual style like that. Now using path array, select the object, enter, select helix command. We need 22 items, but we can't put, so this is divide. Now 22 items. Close array. Now see. Now using another helix command, center of circle to center of the railing circle. Before the using materials, we can separate and again union thread and railing. Separate, explore, select object, X enter, and union railing and thread separately. Union, select object, ready for using materials. M&T, enter materials. Okay. Now you can see the spiral staircase is ready. The design is ready. I hope it will be helpful for those who are new beginner. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.